Okay, so today we will do this chapter. This is the second chapter from the book Footprints Without Feet. Okay, this is the second chapter from the book Footprints Without
Good
Feet.
morning.
क्या हुआ?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So as the title of the story suggests, it is the story of a thief. So in this chapter, there are two main characters. One main character is the thief himself. Now, he does not tell his real name. So in the chapter, he tells his name as Hari Singh. Because he is a thief, he wants to hide his identity. अपना नाम वो किसी को नहीं बताता है जो thief है story में, because the police are always after him, so he keeps changing his names. So in the story, the thief's name is Hari Singh. So two important characters are there in the story. One is the thief Hari Singh. Other important character is the Anil. So a young boy makes friend with Anil. Anil trusts him completely and employs him. And Anil is a very simple person. So he completely trusts him and he employs him. Anil उसको जो young boy है उसको अपने घर पे रख लेता है काम के लिए. Trust means, you know, what is the meaning of trust?
Yes, ma'am. Belief.
Huh? Have faith.
Belief.
Have faith. हाँ विश्वास होना. हाँ तो the thief is the young boy. The thief is young boy, and Anil is a man. Anil trusts him completely and employs him. Does the boy betray his trust? Betray means what?
Ma'am, to cheat someone.
Yes.
I'm धोखा देना.
Yes, very good. Betray मतलब cheat someone, धोखा देना. Yes, good.
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो. Sugan, you want to say something?
ma'am, deceive.
क्या बोले?
Ma'am, deceive. Ma'am, deceive.
Deceive. Yes. Okay. We can use deceive. किसी को deceive करना, धोखा देना, deceive करना, cheat, deceive. Okay. Yes. So who does I refer to in the story? So who is the I? Who is telling the story of his life?
Thief.
So I is the thief. So as we read, we can answer these questions. What is he a fairly successful hand at? What does he get from Anil in return from his work? So I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15. So this boy, at a very young age, he has become a thief. So what is the age of this thief? He is just a teenager, adolescent boy. His age is 15. So when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Means what? He was a successful thief. Means he had been doing this right from his childhood. बचपन से ही वो चोरी करते आया था, तो चोरी में बहुत माहिर हो गया था, successful, and he was very experienced also. So this boy, he has been stealing right from his childhood. So by the time he was 15, what happened? He became very experienced and successful. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. And where does this thief, 15-year-old boy, meet Anil? He meets him at the wrestling match. When I approached him, approached means come near, came near. So he came near Anil He was about 25. So the thief is 15 years old. The other character Anil, who is the victim. अनिल जो है वो शिकार है, जिसको हरी सिंह अपने ये में ले लेता है, ट्रस्ट में. So Anil is the victim. A tall, lean fellow. Lean means what? Lean, lean.
Thin.
Yes, very good. Lean means thin. So this, the other character, Anil, who is going to be the victim of this thief, he is a tall, thin fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. So when this 15-year-old thief saw Anil, what did he think? That this man is very, very simple. Uh, so simple hearted, plain. So he thought that Anil can become his victim because he was very simple to look at, simple enough for my purpose. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So I hadn't had much luck of late, matlab kya? Hadn't been successful in stealing. What was his profession? Stealing was his profession. Hadn't had much luck means hadn't been सक्सेसफुल इन स्टीलिंग लेटली. हाल फिलहाल जो है उसको वो कोई कुछ चोरी नहीं कर पा रहा था. Was not having good luck. He was not able to steal anything. So he was looking for a simple, innocent person whom he could cheat. And when he saw Anil, he thought that this man will be perfect. He was looking very simple. Uh, to get into the young man's confidence. You look a bit of wrestler yourself. I said, a little flattery helps in making friends. So, how did he start the conversation with Anil? He started praising him falsely. What does flattery means? Flattery? Satyam? Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ambesh Kumar. Ambesh, what is the meaning of flattery? Ambesh, can you hear me?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Can I answer?
Okay, Aditya, answer. What is the meaning of flattery?
Ma'am, chaplacy.
Okay. English word?
Ma'am, saying something good about someone.
Okay. So,
Ma'am, false praise.
yes, false praise. Flattery. झूठी तारीफ करना. False praise. So, you look a bit of a wrestler yourself. I said, a little flattery helps in making friends. अब देखो, how is he flattering him? अब अनिल जो है वो कैसा आदमी है? Tall है, lean, thin है, और उसको झूठ मूठ का वो क्या कह रहा है कि आप तो wrestler जैसे दिखते हैं. So he is just trying to flatter Anil. Why? Because flattery helps in making friends. ज्यादातर लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि झूठ मूठ का भी तारीफ कर दो तो खुश हो जाते हैं. So he tries to make friends with Anil by praising him falsely that you look like a wrestler. So do you, he replied. तो अनिल ने भी उसको बोला कि तुम भी wrestler के तरह ही दिखते हो, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. So he became off. He became a little sad that Anil was also praising him falsely because he was also thin. Well, I said modestly. So what is the meaning of modestly? Humbly. विनम्रता से. Modest is the opposite of proud. Very humbly he said, I do wrestle a bit. What is your name? So then Anil asked that young boy his name. So Hari Singh, I lied. उसने झूठ बोला. असल नाम वो किसी को नहीं बताता था. I took a new name every month that kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. So he kept changing his name every month. हर महीना नाम बदलता था. Why? Because to dodge the police, to escape the police, and from his former employers, जिसके यहाँ भी वो काम करता था वहां से कुछ ना कुछ चुरा लेता था. So to hide his identity, not to be caught by the police and his former employees, he employers, he kept on changing his name every month. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting. Grunting means shout, what do you call, producing sounds. So grunting is the sound word. So who are grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. So then Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers. The wrestlers, they oil their body. Why do they oil their body? So that the opponent is not able to catch hold of them. Huh? So Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers. The wrestlers had oiled their body so that the rival, the opponent, is not able to catch hold. And they were producing sounds as they were wrestling with each other, lifting, throwing each other. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. So Anil walked away and he also followed casually. Hello again, he said. अब ये जो थीफ है इसको तो अनिल को अपना शिकार बनाना है, तो किसी ना किसी तरह तो दोस्ती बनाना होगा. तो again he said hello. I gave him my most appealing smile. Now he is trying to impress this Anil in various ways. First by just flattering him, झूठी तारीफ करके, फिर then giving him the attractive smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. तो उसका काम करने का, चोरी करने का तरीका क्या था? First he used to win the trust of the person, then he used to work for that person, and then he would steal everything and run away. That was how he modus operandi, that was how he operated. So now first step is to make friends with Anil. So he said that he gave him a very attractive smile. Then he said कि मुझे आपके लिए काम करना है, I want to work for you. अनिल दिखने से एकदम सीधा साधा लगते थे, तो हरी सिंह को लगा कि इनको बेवकूफ बनाना आसान होगा. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. But Anil is not a rich person. He said that I cannot pay you. He cannot afford to keep servants. So what did he say? I can't pay you. I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. So he thought that Anil would be a rich person, but he had misjudged, miscalculated. Can you feed me? Then Anil, this Hari Singh, he asks Anil कि ठीक है, मुझे पैसे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे बस खाना दे दीजिएगा. क्या खाना दे सकते हैं? Can you feed me? Then Anil asked that Hari Singh, can you cook? I can cook, I lied again. So first lie he had already said about his name, that his name was Hari Singh. Hari Singh तो उसका नाम था भी नहीं. फिर जब when Anil asked him if he could cook, he said I can cook. खाना बनाने भी उसको नहीं आता था. अब किसी तरह अनिल के घर में घुसना था, तो झूठ बोल दिया कि आता है खाना बनाने. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. So he said, okay, if you cook for me, then I will feed you. He took me to his room over the Jumna sweet shop. So where was Anil's house? Over the Jumna sweet shop, and told me I could sleep on the balcony. Anil was a very, very simple middle class person. He lived in a small house. So he told Hari Singh that you can sleep in the on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible, because Anil gave it to the stray dogs. अब हरी सिंह को खाना बनाने तो आता नहीं था, तो खाना जो उसने बनाया वो इतना खराब था that Anil could not eat the food, और खाना जो है उसको स्ट्रीट डॉग्स को देना पड़ा. So the food that Hari Singh cooked was so horrible that Anil could not eat that food, and he had to give that food to the street dogs and told me to be off. And Anil was very, very angry because Hari Singh had lied to him that he could cook. So Anil became very angry और उसको बोला कि तुम चले जाओ, be off. But I just hung around. But this thief, being a thief, he was very shameless also. और उसको जाने के लिए कहा, लेकिन उसको तो किसी तरह जो है अनिल के घर में रहना था. Recently he hadn't been able to steal anything. He tells us that he hadn't good luck. So he just hung around. Anil told him to go away, but he stayed there, hung around, smiling in my most appealing way. Again, he tried to attract Anil by his attractive smile, and he couldn't help laughing. But Anil was a very kind person. So Anil was a very kind person, because though he was angry for a few moments, again he had sympathy for this small boy, and later he patted me on the head and said, never mind, he would teach me to cook. Lekin Anil was very kind person. He patted him on his head, उसका सर थपथपाया और बोला कि मैं तुम्हें खाना बनाना सिखा दूंगा. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. Now, Anil is a very, very nice person, decent, gentle, kind, and he has lot of sympathy for this small boy, 15-year-old boy, Hari Singh. So he started teaching him to write. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. So Anil is very kind, decent person, very sympathetic. He started teaching young boy and to add numbers. I was grateful. Grateful means, what's the meaning of grateful?
Thankful.
Yes, thankful. तो अनिल जो है,
हाँ
हनी सिंह जो है अनिल के प्रति आभारी भी था. हाँ, स्ट्रेंजर था वो, लेकिन उसके लिए इतना कर रहा था, उसको पढ़ा लिखा रहा था. आई न्यू दैट वंस आई कुड राइट लाइक एन एजुकेटेड मैन, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. So Hari Singh also knows the importance of education, that once he becomes educated, he can go to great heights, no limit. So Hari Singh knows that education plays an important role in a person's life, and once a person becomes educated, he can achieve great heights, no limit. So it was quite pleasant working for Anil. So as we know, Anil is a very simple, decent person, very kind. So working for him was a pleasant experience for Hari Singh. हरी सिंह को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था अनिल के घर में काम करके. I made tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies. So he used to buy the day's supplies, means groceries and other items. So he used to make tea and buy the groceries, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. अब उसको पेमेंट तो मिलता नहीं था. Anil had told him that he would only give him food. So he used to save some money from the money that he got for buying the
Yes.
daily use things. Yes, days supplies. उसमें से वो ₹1 हर दिन बचा लेता था. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. अनिल को भी पता था कि हरी सिंह थोड़े बहुत पैसे बचाता है, but Anil was very kind person. He did not mind. So you can see in the picture Hari Singh holding the copy and pen, and Anil is teaching him. So okay. Anil made money by fits and starts. So Anil's income was very irregular. फिट्स एंड स्टार्ट्स, इरेगुलर मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि हर महीना कोई सैलरी मिलता था. So he made money by fits and starts. He would borrow one week, lend the next. कभी किसी वीक में इतना पैसा का शॉर्टेज होता था कि उसे उधार लेना पड़ता था. Borrow means take money from someone and lend means give money to someone. So Anil's income was very, very irregular. Sometimes he had so much of money that he would lend. Sometimes he had so little money that he would have to take money from someone. He kept worrying about his next check. एक बार एक चेक मिल गया तो दूसरा चेक कब आएगा उसके लिए चिंता रहती थी. So income was not regular, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. So, but as soon as money came, he would go out and celebrate. Means he spends money lavishly. अब पैसा अगर आ गया तो पैसा खर्च वो आराम से करते थे. lavishly मतलब बिना सोचे समझे. सेलिब्रेट, पैसा आ गया तो बाहर जाके सेलिब्रेट करते थे. He would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines. So what was Anil's profession? What was Anil's profession? He was a writer, wrote for magazines. Writer, author, कुछ भी. तो Anil was a writer by profession. A queer way to make a living. What is the meaning of queer? Anyone? Ananya?
Strange.
Yes, very good.
Strange.
Yes. Queer means strange. Queer. Strange. So Anil was a writer by profession, and his income was very irregular. Sometimes he had so little money that he would have to borrow. Sometimes he had so much money that he would lend it. But he was not very particular about keeping money. एक बार पैसा आ गया, he would spend it lavishly. He would go out and celebrate. So बिना सोचे समझे खर्च करने की भी आदत थी. It seems he wrote for magazines. He was a writer by profession. A very strange way to make a living. Strange, queer means strange. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes. So one evening he got lot of money, एकदम bundle of notes लेके घर आए, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. So one evening Anil had got a lot of money because he had sold one of his books to a publisher. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. Tuck means just put the money under the mattress. So as we know, Anil was very innocent, simple-hearted person, and he was not very careful about money. So one day he came with a lot of money, and he just put the money very casually under the mattress because he was very simple-hearted. So he did not have any suspicion on Hari Singh. तो बहुत कैजुअली उन्होंने वो ढेर सारा पैसा जो है वो गद्दे के नीचे रख दिया, अंडर द मैट्रेस. सो दिस वाज अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर हरी सिंह. इतना सारा पैसा और वो भी कोई लॉकर अलमारी में नहीं रखा हुआ, बस गद्दे के नीचे. सो आई हैड बीन वर्किंग फॉर अनिल फॉर ऑलमोस्ट अ मंथ, and apart from cheating on the shopping had not done anything in my line of work. तो अनिल के घर काम करते हुए कितना समय हो गया? तो ऑलमोस्ट अ मंथ, 1 महीना से वो काम कर रहा था वहाँ. And and apart from cheating on the shopping, and he used to just save 1 rupee from the groceries. That was the cheating he did. And he was not able to do anything in my line of work. मतलब एक महीने से कोई चोरी का काम तो नहीं किया था. My line of work means what is his line of work? Robbery. So from 1 month he had not done anything in robbery. I had every opportunity for doing so. Every opportunity. Why? Because uh, so much of money was there in the house. It was not kept in any closed thing. It was just under the mattress. So it was a very easy opportunity, very golden chance tha Hari Singh ke liye for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door. अब सोता तो वो बालकनी में था, but Anil had given him the key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. Whenever he would like at night, he could open the door and enter the room. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. So Anil was the most trusting person I had ever met. इससे पहले उसने इतना अच्छा आदमी नहीं देखा था जो इतने तुरंत विश्वास कर ले. He was the most trusting person, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. So robbing Anil was very, very difficult for Hari Singh. अनिल के घर से चोरी करना हरि सिंह के लिए थोड़ा बहुत मुश्किल था. Why? Because he always had the guilt feeling, guilt that he was stealing from a nice person. It was so difficult to rob him because the guilt was there that he was robbing such a person who had trusted him so much. It was so difficult to rob him. It is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. Now, a greedy man, he accumulates a lot of money. So it is very easy to rob a greedy man. मन में ये रहता चलो इतना लालची आदमी है, इससे चोरी भी किया तो क्या बुरा काम किया. Because he can afford to be robbed. But it is difficult to rob a careless man. But Anil was such a careless man. He brought the money. He knows that a stranger is there in the house. Of course, Hari Singh, he doesn't know him so well. He is just a stranger for him. And in spite of knowing that the stranger is there in his house, he keeps so much of money under the mattress. पता है घर में एक अजनबी है, लेकिन उतना सारा पैसा वो गद्दे के नीचे रखते हैं. So he is a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. So robbing gives you pleasure only when you see कि जिससे चुराया है वो upset है, उसको पता लग गया है, then robbing is a pleasure. But if the person does not notice, robbing is not a pleasure. That is Hari Singh's opinion. Hari Singh का ऐसा सोचना है. Well, it is time I did some real work. So he thought to himself कि मेरा real काम जो है वो तो मैंने बहुत दिनों से किया ही नहीं. In Anil's house, he was cooking food, he was looking after the house, but he was not doing his real work, robbery. I told myself, I am out of practice. And what did he think? कि अगर चोरी नहीं किया तो out of practice हो जाएंगे. And if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. And how did he console himself? He just told to himself कि अगर मैं ये पैसे नहीं चुराऊंगा तो Anil will waste it on his friends. He had the habit, पैसा आया बस celebrate करने चले गए. So I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. So he started giving excuses. अपने आप को ही excuse देने लगे चोरी करने के लिए कि I'm not getting any payment, and this man, if I don't steal the money, he will waste it on his friends. So to lessen the burden of guilt तो है कि Anil is a trusting person, he is such a careless person, and then he is stealing money from such a nice man. So guilt feeling is there in his mind. But how does he overcome this guilt? By saying that he is not being paid for his job, by by thinking that if he doesn't steal the money, Anil will waste it on his friends. So he thinks of these things just to lessen the guilt feeling that he has, uh, that he is stealing from a nice person. After all, he doesn't even pay me. So Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on his bed. So now it's time for Hari Singh to steal the money. So he is going to do that, of course, in the night. रात में ही वो काम करेंगे जब अनिल सो जाएंगे. So the opportunity has come. Anil has fallen asleep, and moonlight is entering the room from the balcony. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. Now, Hari Singh had already made the plan. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. तो हरी सिंह ने अपना प्लान बना लिया था. पैसा चुरा के शहर में रहना तो सेफ नहीं था. So what had he planned? That he will steal the money and he will catch the train to Lucknow and he will run away from there. So he had already planned that he will steal the money and he will catch the 10:30 express train to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. So crept means move quietly. तो ब्लैंकेट हटाया अपने बॉडी से और एकदम चुपके से बेड के तरफ वो मूव किया. अनिल वो स्लीपिंग पीसफुली. अनिल वो स्लीपिंग पीसफुली. एकदम शांति से वो सो रहे थे. हिज फेस वॉज क्लियर एंड अनलाइंड. नो इवन आई नो अनलाइंड मतलब कोई लाइन नहीं था. नो मार्क्स और रिंकल्स. नो मार्क्स, scars or wrinkles. So Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was very clear, with no marks, no scars, no wrinkles. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. तो हरी सिंह जो है वो अपना फेस कंपेयर कर रहा है अनिल से कि उसके चेहरे पर ज्यादा दाग है. My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. तो एकदम आराम से काम हो गया. He had the keys. He opened the door. He entered. Anil was sleeping peacefully. And what he did, हाथ डाला गद्दे के नीचे और बिना कोई आवाज किए पैसा उसने निकाल लिया. Without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep. Sighed means take a deep breath. थोड़ा सा जो है एक लंबा deep breath लिया. So Anil sighed in his take a deep breath. So sigh means to take a deep breath. गहरा सांस लेना. So now Hari Singh got this golden opportunity to steal. Anil, being a careless man, kept the money under the mattress. He had the keys. Quietly, he opened the door. He crept to the bed, took out the money without a sound. And Anil just sighed in his sleep, turned on his side. He tossed to the other side. Karvat liya usne, turned on his side, karvat liya. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. Startled means uh, surprised. He crawled out of the room, came out quietly. So ही वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज कि जैसे ही पैसा ये लिया तो अनिल ने करवट बदला, तो थोड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ. But he just came out of the room quietly. When I was on the road, I began to run. And then he came out on the road and he started running fast because he had to catch the Lucknow Express. He had to reach the station fast. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. और पैसे को कहाँ बांधा था? अपने वेस्ट के पास, कमर के पास, पैजामा के डोरी से उसने वो पैसा को बांध लिया था. Held there by the string of my pajamas. I slowed down to walk and counted the notes. अब चुरा तो लिया था, पैसा था कितना ये तो पता ही नहीं. हाँ, तो मन में क्यूरियोसिटी हुई जानने की, हाउ मच मनी हैज ही स्टोलन. सो ही काउंटेड द नोट्स. कितना पैसा था? 600 रुपीज इन 50s. हाँ, अब 50 रुपया का 600 नोट था. 600 रुपीज इन 50s. I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. And what a plan did he make? He will live a luxurious lifestyle like a Arab, oil rich Arab. He will live a lavish, luxurious life like an Arab for week or two. Royal life. He had made the plan. Okay. So you can see how Hari Singh is stealing money. Anil ekdam peace